All right, guys, we'll see if I can explain the lab to you. It's a little bit different since we're using Chromebooks than the sheet that I gave you because they're asking you to use regular computers. So basically, you're starting on procedure number 4. Before that, go ahead and answer the preliminary questions. You'll see those at the start. Starting on 4, it's talking about dropping the coffee filter and hitting collect. So I'm going to kind of show you how to do one of those. Once you have graphical analysis open, go here and just go one graph. All we want to see is the position versus time graph on there. And then if you can see over here, I have the motion detector set up. You guys are going to go and drop these off the steps. That way you can get a longer reading. But if I hit collect, it'll start marking it. And when I drop it, you'll see that in this case, what happened, there's some sort of error. This happens occasionally. If this does happen, try it again. So here I go. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to hit collect. I drop. And there you can see it's a little bit straighter. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better for you guys on there. So what we want to do is this is position versus time graph. And we want to just find the slope of that because we know that the slope of a position versus time graph is the velocity. And we want to do it after it goes to straight. This isn't ideal because it's only falling for a short amount of time. With you guys, you're going to have a much longer graph and you'll see hopefully a long straight line. And then we click down here, we go apply curve fit, linear. This isn't a great graph. I've seen much better. You hit apply, and then you'll find the slope. That slope right there of 0.5698, that is the terminal velocity of that coffee filter. Okay, so what you're going to see on the data table, which is on the 3rd page, you'll see that there are 3 columns for number of filters. You're going to do 1 filter 3 times, 2 filters 3 times, 3 filters, 4 filters, and 5 times 3 times. And then you average them and find their terminal velocity squared. So let me show you one here. I'll do 4 filters. So here is 4 filters. I hit collect, drop. Okay, you can see this one is much steeper. So I highlight where it's straight after it's curved here because that's where it's accelerating. I go here, apply curve fit, linear, and you can see that this one would be 1.196 meters per second. Okay, hopefully this works out. If not, then I guess a work day. Come back to the room and have a work day.